Alright, here we are for the quiz corrections for the lesson 16 through 18 quiz. So number 1 says find the better by of the following, show your work, round to the nearest cent. So first we have $333 for 22 staplers. So I'm comparing money to staplers. So I'm going to set up my standard algorithm. So they told us it was 330 for 22, and I want to know how much for one stapler. So that means I'm going to have to divide by 22 and divide by 22 on the top, and 330 divided by 22 is $15 per stapler. Alright, now my second one, I have money and I have staplers again. This time I have $82 for 6 staplers. So now when I look to find the value of 1, I'm going to have to divide by 6 on the bottom and on the top. So now here in the calculator, when I do 82 divided by 6, I get a very long decimal, but it's money, so I need to round to the nearest cent. So this is a 6, and if I look to the right, that's a 6, so that means it's going to bump it up to a 7. So my answer here would be $13.67 per stapler. So when we compare the two, we can see here that the second option is the better buy. Alright, number 2 says Tiffany is filling her daughter's pool with water from a hose. She can fill the pool at a rate of 3/10 gallons per second. So it should say seconds. If she has been filling the pool for 90 seconds, how many gallons are in the pool? So I'm comparing gallons to seconds. Put my blank standard algorithm in, alright, and they told us it was 3 gallons for 10 seconds. They want to know how much for 90 seconds. How many gallons? So 10 to 90, I multiply by 9, so that means I'd do 3 times 9 on the top. So my answer here would be 27 gallons. Alright, number 3. Helena works for a publishing firm. She is considered to be an average typist and can type 52 words a minute. If she continues at this rate, how many minutes would it take Helen to type 2,080 words? So I'm comparing words to minutes. Put it in here. And they said she can type 52 words in 1 minute. They want to know how long, so how many minutes would it take her to do 2,080. So in the calculator, if you do 2,080 divided by 52, you get 40. So that means here I'm multiplying by 40. So in the bottom, I will multiply by 40. So that means it would take her 40 minutes. And then for number 4, it says notebooks are on sale for $1.25 for 4 notebooks. Mrs. Day wants to buy notebooks for her students but only has $12 to spend. How many can she buy? And it says make sure your answer is realistic. So I'm comparing money on top to notebooks. And then they told us that the deal was $1.25 for 4. She has $12, so we know that, so we're going to put that in, and they want to know how many. So we're going to have to plug into the calculator 12 divided by 1.25, and that equals 9.6. So this would be times 9.6. On the bottom, the same thing, times 9.6. So now, off to the side, if we do 4 times 9.6 in the calculator, we get 38.4. We can't have 38.4 notebooks, so we need to round, and it needs to be realistic. If we round up, we won't have enough money, so that means we're just going to have to stick with 48. So we can say that she can buy 38 notebooks. Alright, and that is it for your quiz corrections.